Okay, my shotgun, the JT3A, as big as my leg, fires 6mm ball bearings, which are these, at 320 feet per second. This is what it did to my can. Alright, and to prove I'm not lying, I will set up a demo. I need a fresh can first, because you won't be able to see where I've marked it. Yep. Alright, no dents, I don't think. Try that. No. No dents as far as I can tell. Line it here. Magazine. Loaded. Magazine fitted. And I'm just lying this here. Oh, good view actually. This is not at point blank range. Right, this is what it did. It has actually gone, the BB has gone into the can. As I see that. Ah, there's the BB. That's all it's done at the moment, but it has split it. Right, now I'll show you one at point blank. As you can see, there is a dent in the back of it, and that's pointing outwards. Can't see that very well, but oh well. And that's what the next one's done. Looks exactly the same, to be honest with you. Let's see if I can hit it again in the same place. One more shot. As you can see, the can started there, has now gone down there with about 15 shots. Let's see what damage we did to it. That was a fresh can, no dents in it. It's like completely fucked up. Also, the best part is it can break glass as well. Yeah, I think I'll show. That did have a full pane of glass in it. No, it doesn't. Because it completely fucked it up. Now the little window pane's falling out. I love my shotgun. It's as big as my leg. My foot. My leg. That is the JT3A shotgun and its power. That's a sexy shotgun.